갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나, 그런 나를 넌 보며.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is Divas, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Happy New Year, guys. And if today is your first time of tuning in, please feel free to subscribe, turn on your bell so that you will get notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscribers, guys, thank you so much. Thank you. You know, it's not easy now. Some people, they have been following me from day one, like right from when I have just one subscribers, guys, like Twali, eh? I greet you all. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful cream that you can use to do your Promixing lotion. Is it a serum or is it a cream? I really don't know. For me, it's a cream. So this is what you can use to Promix your body lotion. But before then, let me make this announcement, right? So for those of you in Europe, if you want to resell my products, like if you want me to be making for you, yes, we started doing our wholesale deal. You just tell us how many kilos of products you want. We make for you. All you have to do is to package it yourself. You have to print your label by yourself and you sell. These products are 100% effective. 100% effective. If you have not been following us on our Instagram page, go there. There you're going to see our reviews, okay? We normally do reviews there. So these products are really, really effective. If you're in UK, France, Germany, Italy, anywhere around Europe, just write us. My WhatsApp contact is below the description box. We are going to make products for you, and all you do is to sell your product, okay? You can just write. You don't need to write my name there. You don't need to write my business name there. You just make your own label, put your own name there, and you sell your own product. So for those in Nigeria, very soon, I don't know, I'm going to be opening a branch in Nigeria. Like I said before, I'm going to be opening a branch in Nigeria very soon, so you can also be getting my product, because I have a lot of people, most of you here from my YouTube channel, you guys want to buy my product, but because I don't ship to Nigeria and it's kind of hard, so I'm going to try to open a branch in Nigeria. You can get my products in Nigeria also. Those in US, write me on my WhatsApp, write me on my Instagram. We ship to US, we ship to Canada, anywhere around Europe and US. We ship those places apart from Africa for now, okay? So guys, let's start with today's video. Like I said before, I'm going to show you this cream that you can use to make your lightening body lotion. So here is the Latino milk. So I use this a lot to do my Promixing cream. Most of you that have been following my video, you will see that recently I've been using Latino milk to make my Promixing lotion. Reason, because this is lovely. This is lovely. Like the kind of reviews I've been getting, like most of my lotion that I've made with this Latino milk, the kind of reviews I've been getting from those people, in fact, people that bought any lotion they bought, and I use this inside those lotion, they have been like, they have been telling me that their skin is looking, they love the cream is cool. You know, it's one thing to be using effective cream, and it's another thing for that product to be cool on your skin. That is it. One thing to be using effective thing, and the other thing is for the product to be cool on your skin. This is really cool, and it softens the skin. So I don't know if you can use this directly on your skin. I have not done that. I have not tried it. But this is what I also use to Promix a lotion. So not just this, I also add other ingredients to it. But let me just say, this is one of the key ingredients. You know, if you're making a cream, you can add like 10 things. You can add like 20 things to it. But we have key ingredients. When they say key ingredient, you know, these are the main active ingredients, while the other ingredients are just like supporting and all that, right? So this is one of my key ingredients if I want to make a normal lightening lotion, okay? Not a lotion like not half cast lotion anyway, not Snow White lotion, nothing like that, but a normal lightening lotion. This is called the Latino skin whitening milk. It is really, really effective. this is really effective. Like, this is made with tomatoes. So if you really want to know how effective this product is, just try to Google, read about the benefits of tomatoes or skin. Tomatoes help to exfoliate the skin. Do you know, tomatoes help to exfoliate and lighten up the skin, so your skin will never go wrong if you're using anything like tomatoes product on your skin. Your skin will never go wrong if you're using anything like tomatoes product on your skin, or if you're using a scrub that has tomatoes extract. Trust me, your skin is going to look very clear, bright and lightening and softening. So for those that want to promise for yourself, this is good to promise. Okay, I'm not going to lie you, but for those that want to sell, I will not just tell you use this to promise. At least there are other things you can add to it also, right? There are other things you can add to it also to promise, so that your product will be really effective. But for those that just want to use on their skin, yes, use this to promise your lightening body cream. You can make your lightening base. Yes, you make your lightening base, but the first thing you have to do, make sure to check the pH. Make sure to check the pH of this product. Okay, check the pH, take the pH and write out the pH of this product. And you can make a lightening cream with some powders like alpha-arbutin, like kojic acid, like glutathione. You just make a normal base lightening cream, then you pour this inside, pour your Latino milk inside. If you're using it on your own skin, right, you pour your Latino milk inside. Trust me, you're still going to get this lightening effect on your skin, and it's going to help to soften your skin. This is a great softener. Trust me. I really do not know the importance of, I'm selling this cream, oh. I'm selling it. I really do not know the importance of this cream. I'm selling it, and I also use it to promise cream. I really do not know the importance until I started having reviews. Like, I started having reviews. I said, okay, this thing is really great. This thing is really great. So if you want to make a large batch, like you want to make something like 1 kilo, so using 2 of this is not a bad idea. This is 250 ml. Yeah, this is 250 ml, and you want to make 1 kilo of a cream using 2 of them, which is 500 ml. It's not a bad thing. You can use 2 of this 500 ml, and you can use your base cream like 200 ml. That will give you 700 ml. Then it's now remaining 300 ml. So that 300 ml, we have oils. You can add oils to it. Okay, we have oils, we have glycerin, we have propylene glycol. You just share it with other ingredients, and you have your 1000 ml cream that is really effective on the skin, like lightening and softening at the same time. This is the skin free mix. So if you want to try to use it on your skin directly, you can go ahead, use it. And I'm still learning too, okay? I'm still learning. Just try it, use it directly on your skin, and come and drop your comments here and tell us, you know, the outcome of it. And if it is good, why not? I will start encouraging people to use it also. But because I have not used it on the skin direct, and I have not seen anyone that have used it on our skin direct, I have not seen anyone that's how will I put it? I've not seen anyone that is using it directly on the skin. So that is why I will not come here and tell you, okay, use it directly on your skin. Sometimes these things, I'm really afraid of them. But when it comes to promising, I know how to manage these things. When it comes to promising, I know how to use them to promise that it will not have a bounce back effect, that it will not destroy your skin, give you knuckles, or give you bad stuff. That I know how to do very well. But to apply this on your skin directly, I don't know. Sometimes I do use my skin as a scapegoat. I do try most of this product just because I'm selling them, and I want to try them on myself to know the results, in case if I want to give a review, in case if I want to recommend this product to some people. But just because my skin, I have one kind of skin that how will I put it? I have this skin that things work. Anything I apply on my skin work. Do you get? Especially my face. my front, my body. Sometimes my back is kind of stubborn, but I'm really dealing with it. Okay, my back is kind of stubborn. I'm really dealing with it. What I normally do now, before I take my bath, I make sure that my husband is back from work. I make sure that he's back from work. I will just tell him, take this scrub. You know, sometimes when you want to scrub, your hand cannot even touch your back properly. So I just give him, take this scrub and scrub it for me. And if I want to use body cream, I just give him, take and apply it on my back. But if I'm alone and I take my bath, I just do it. Mostly my hand cannot touch my back, you know. I'll be struggling with my back, and I have a very tough skin when it comes to my back. So, but I'm really fighting it, okay? So, if I want to even like try to fight my back of my skin, maybe I may even try this as the back of my skin. I may try it directly at the back of my skin, but still, I'm still afraid. So please, can somebody just volunteer herself and use this thing directly on her skin and come and tell us the testimony? Come and tell us the testimony. But for you to promise it with it, just go ahead. I give you 100% guarantee. Like, this is really good for promising. So to promise a 1000 kilogram of cream, use 2 of this, which is the 500 ml, and you have 500 ml left. So you can decide to use 300 gram of base cream, or you can decide to use 200 gram of base cream. Okay, let's just say you are going to use 300 gram of base cream, and 300 plus 500, that will give you 800. So the remaining 200, now you have to look for lightening oils. You get, look for lightening oils, lightening serums, and don't forget to add stretch mark oil to it. Okay, don't forget to add like something like Shalom stretch mark oil, something that will prevent stretch marks, something that will prevent green veins. Okay, because sometimes these products, they are really nice, but if you are getting the fake ones, and the thing will just give you veins, or the thing will just give you stretch mark, that is it. If you get the fake ones, they can give you things like that, and you will just put the blame on the product, like, this product is not good. No, maybe you actually got the fake ones. So make sure that the remaining 200 grams, you can use it as a treatment. You just get a treatment serum, any serum that is treating, not lightening again, because this alone is enough. Okay, get any serum that is for treating, any serum for treating, oils for treating, like it can be Shalom stretch mark oils for treating. You can use a magic chemical, that one is for green veins, add it to it. You can use something like crude chemical, that one is for stretch mark also, you add it to it. So you just apply the remaining 200, should be like treating product. You apply it to it, in case if the thing want to give you stretch mark, those products will be there helping to fight it, right? So get this Latino milk. If you're in Europe, you can get it from me. If you're in US, you can get it from me. If you're in Nigeria, go to any cosmetic shop. If you're in Lagos, go to Alaba International Market and buy skin-free milk. Okay, buy skin-free milk. Please, one advice: don't add this to any ash cream. Okay, please get a cool base. Make a cool base, or you buy a cool base from the market. Don't add this with a ash product already, like you have carotene or caro white. Now you have to mix carotene and caro white with this one too. Please, it is not allowed. Don't mix this with any ash products. Use a cool base and you are good to go. Okay, please don't make that mistake, and later you come here and say, she's the one that said we can promise it with any cream. Promise it with any cream, and I mean cool base, not ash cream. Don't add this to Caro 2 cream. Don't add this to Caro white cream. Please, I use God to beg you, use a cool base. This one is already effective. That is why I say you can use 2 of these 500 ml and use a cool base of 200 ml or 300 ml. So you are good to go, guys. So that is it for today's video. I hope you find this video very helpful. Join the online training class. Follow us on our Instagram page. Follow us up there. Please, if you have any question to ask, don't ask me question on my WhatsApp. It is not allowed. Please, most people that, and this is, I'm not finding this funny anymore. How can you leave my Instagram? How can you leave the comment section? You just write me on my WhatsApp. And most people that always do this, they are my and those that lives in Nigeria. those that lives in Nigeria, they will just write me at midnight. I don't know whether or not they sleep. They will just write me at midnight to ask me, please, what will I use to promise this cream? You are not my students. You don't have any right to come on my WhatsApp to ask me what will I use to promise this thing. Ask me here on YouTube, YouTube comment section. Ask me on my Instagram. Don't write me on my WhatsApp, please. If I see any questions like that, I will just read the question and block the person instantly. This is so annoying. Please, my WhatsApp is for my training. My WhatsApp is for people that are buying my product, not for question and answer. Now please ask me question on my Instagram, ask me question here on YouTube, and I'm going to answer. Like you guys know, I always reply your comments. I always reply. That is it. So guys, I love you so much. Sorry that I'm speaking harsh, but please make una not vex. You know, sometimes it's annoying. Please, I love you guys, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.